Welcome back, still in Ho Chi Minh City. Last video we were around the main town of District 1. Now we're going to head northeast, still District 1, but we'll check out that area. Let's go. It's 3:30, so it's still a little bit warm, but hopefully it starts to cool down. Very popular banh mi restaurant coming up here, always packed with Grab drivers getting deliveries. This one here. Busy, busy, busy. Every time I walk past, like 10-20 Grab drivers, food delivery. I think it's one of the top banh mi's. 10-minute walk, we come to this park. I'll put the name on the screen. Beautiful tall trees here. And we're going to check out this park in this area. Nice little park, much better maintained than the other park that we went to last video. A lot cleaner. I wouldn't go running, there's more just walking paths, but there's people playing sapakara and badminton. A nice breeze. It's hot, but there's a nice breeze in here. We're going to keep heading northeast, and there should be some other things to see this way. To the Independence Palace. It's closed now. I'll put the hours of operation on the screen. Got some cool looking tanks here. Be nice to walk around. I'll probably come back and walk around by myself. And then we've got a park across the road. Beautiful. It's meant to be like the Notre Dame of Saigon, but obviously it's under reconstruction. If I can find out when the reconstruction is meant to end, I'll put it on the screen. I don't see anything right now, so I'll have to online research. That's what it normally looks like. But we can go over the road to an old school post office. Let's do that. I'm doing it all by walking, but you can do the red bus, sightseeing bus. You can talk to a taxi or a grab guy and try to negotiate what sites you want to see and get the price. Make sure you're really strict on what price and the itinerary, exactly what the itinerary is. Every extra stop you ask for, they're going to ask for more money. So, but you can definitely negotiate that and go to everywhere you want to go, especially if it's hot like this. But I'm just walking it. Very cool. It's still running a post office, so you can do some send postcards and stuff like that. A lot of souvenirs, some travel agents in there. Very hot in there, very muggy in there. Whew. All right, now we're going to head south again. No real plan that direction, but we're going to head that direction. The rest of the tour is me just winging it, so let's see how I go winging it. Beautiful area, great. We've got the Ho Chi Minh statue, Rex Hotel, high-end shopping on either side, Union Mall. Even have a Rolls Royce shop. I think I've never seen the car in my life, except on Entourage. But first time seeing a Rolls Royce in real life. Nice breeze. Whew. Still hot though. So this is more of the modern downtown area, I guess. Banks, high-end shopping. We're heading towards the river. We can see the Saigon Tower, sort of heading in that direction. like a ship mast here, cargo ship. I'm not sure what that is. A really cool looking restaurant or hotel here, or a boat hotel. A nice view of the city this direction. This is a good viewpoint. Definitely come here and check this one out. You get a view of the whole city. Some nice hotels or apartments over there, condos. They'd be good. I'm sure they're not cheap. Really cool. This boat almost looks like, it reminds me of Waterworld with the sails like that. You can see the Saigon platform. Yeah, this is a good spot. I recommend coming here for a walk. You can actually grab a bike here if you don't walk all the way here. Just on the point. Bring a drink, a coffee, and just sit and enjoy the view. All the new Saigon. Busy, busy, busy. I do have a plan to do a one trip across one bridge. I don't know if it's this bridge or this bridge, but well, maybe that's in a future video. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If anything else cool happens, a little bonus content at the end of this video. If not, I'll see you next time. Beautiful square, a beautiful square here. We've got high-end shopping malls on each side. Chanel, this one Union Square Mall even has a Rolls Royce, including a Rolls Royce shop. Our first time I think I've ever seen a Royal